Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Brian once again. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do another unboxing, and the unboxing is for the Neewer NL480 LED video light panel. Stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button on this video. If you don't like it, please do so. Leave me a feedback if you want, but do not forget to subscribe, okay? Tell your friends, and I'm leaving my Instagram and my Facebook fan page in the description below. Okay, inside the box we have instruction manual, a small welcome note from the company. Let's go ahead and unpack this baby. So this light comes with a very nice handy bag. Right there, it comes with a Velcro system, so you just squeeze it in together. It's easily carryable, it's very portable, it's very light, it's not very heavy, it's very comfortable to carry. Inside the bag, first comes out your LED panel, next comes your power brick, and alright, there's no LED indicator like once you plug it in, and this is the other half of your power brick, so it goes in there. Very simple. And there's no indicator like once you plug it in. I don't see any indicator. So the specifications on this LED light panel is that it comes with a U bracket, so you can pan your head or tilt your light so that you can point the light to the required direction. This LED panel comes with 400 LED lights, 240 of which are yellow, the warm light, and 240 of the white, bright white daylight. So, and it comes in a color temperature of 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin on the color temperature scale. And you also get a white diffuser with this LED light. So let's go ahead and plug it in. This is the panel, and these are the LEDs, of course, 480 LEDs, 240 of which are yellow, warm light, and 240 of bright white daylight. And on the back there are two slots for batteries. Those are sold separately. The batteries are the Sony NPF 550 or NPF 970, and this panel can be also used with your AC power adapter, which is provided along with the panel. There's a switch which controls your power selector, so you could use either the AC source or you could use the battery. There are two knobs, one for the yellow warm light and one for the white daylight. What did they do? These are also the dimmers, so you can control your warmth or the coolness of the light with these two knobs, just like that. So let's go ahead and connect this light panel. So of course, always make sure the power selector is in the center, so it can go either that way or it can go that way. AC connector goes in there. We're connected, and so we're gonna put it to the right side, which selects the AC power inlet. Turn it on. There's a small LED right here showing that this is powered. The light is ready to use. That's a very good thing to have. And before I proceed, these knobs, you can loosen them up, and like I said, this thing goes on your standard 5/8 of an inch stand, light stand, so you just put it in, turn on the screw, and it's all set. You can move it like that on the stand, and you can tilt the head back and forth, up and down, so you know, like you can put it in your most desired position of use. And once when you tighten out the U bracket, so the light stays fixed, it doesn't move. It's very sturdy, and construction wise it feels solid. I really like the color combination on this one, silver aluminum with rose gold knobs. I really like it. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So first I'm gonna show you the white light. I'm gonna turn it down because I don't want to blind you guys. So that's the initial phase, okay? Just turned on. So I'm turning it slowly. That's 50%. And this is white daylight at 100%. Let me bring it down. Now let's go for the yellow one. This is around like 10% and going up, 50%, and that's 100%. That's very bright. 240 are yellow, 240 are white, and it's a very good combination. It's portable, the size is perfect for my indoor studio and for outdoors also, like if you're shooting a small scale video, this is very handy, I believe. So let's go ahead and put it at a distance. I'm sorry, I do not have the light stand today because it did not arrive. It was supposed to, it did not arrive. So let's just put the light to 50%. That's like 3 feet away. It's bright, it's very bright. Let's put on the diffuser. The diffuser has a sliding mechanism, so you just slide it into it. There you go. That's how it looks with the diffuser and the light. Both the warm and the white daylight all set to 50% intensity. Let's go ahead and bump it up. There you go. Approximately 3 feet away from my face and pointed directly towards me from the side from an angle, and that's the light at 100% with the diffuser on. I'm gonna take off the diffuser so you get a small demonstration how bright it is. It's damn bright. It's very bright. I feel like I have to wear a shade now just to, you know, just to look at it. Overall, I really like this LED panel from Neewer, and if you're interested to purchase something like this, it's very budget friendly. Cost me like around $72 roughly. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. You can buy that product if you want, and yeah, this is very good to have. It's very portable, and with the availability of the battery usage over here, you can carry this item anywhere. Maybe you need an extra set of lights apart from your regular light sources, so this is going to be really helpful. And this is a continuous, non-flickering source of light, so it's not going to interfere with your work, with your video or any kind of other works. So thank you guys for staying with me, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Peace out.